Oh man, so we just did our first long ride on the 150R. I'm letting her cool down. He's exploring this little section of trails that we found over here. I really hope that wheel is tight because we just tightened it before we left, but we had to get the chain somewhat tighter. Let me put this on 4K60 because it looks crazy. I've actually never been on this side or these little trails over here, so kind of interesting to see these little dirt bike trails because I thought I went the other way, but I guess I went down a different trail, but it's all good. Huh. Alright, this is gonna be me probably falling all over the fucking place. Hopefully this camera angle is good. I put the camera up a little bit. So let me know if the camera angle is good. Devin from the future here, and I just wanted to say that this video is strictly just for me to watch back and see how much of a good rider I am and how better I get on this. So by any means, this isn't like a really cool video, but if you guys find it cool, if you guys like the camera angle, which I think the camera angle is too low, but let me know if you want me to raise it, if you think it's good. And yeah, hopefully I'll get better at making these. Bye. Also testing out my new microphone, and that clutch was absolutely atrocious. This video was 44 minutes long. If you guys want to see the full thing, I just put in what I thought was less boring. Thing hang out for a second here. Wow, that track is so fun. I gotta go back around more and learn the layout. I don't even have to push the clutch in on this thing. How do I
It has power, but I mean, like, it's so geared towards being a trail bike. Yeah. It doesn't feel like my bike at all. 100% feels like a pit bike in my first impressions of going back and forth.
I feel like I like the 150, but the 140 is so much smoother. That's just more on speed, really. Well,
I'm like constantly working out the whole time I'm riding. Yeah. This thing, you can be lazy. You're like,
Unless you really...
The back, I felt it clapping back behind me, but I mean, I wasn't going crazy, you know?
Well, it's...
Ah, yeah. couple of years.
This thing was brand new at one point.
At one point. For a couple of days.
Maybe 4 years now. 3.
Maybe.
This is our ghetto.
Ew.
This is our ghetto fix because we're out here on the trails, and this is what happens when you don't put your bolts in and you don't check your bolts correctly. So yeah, we had to tighten the wheel up.
Listen to your dad. That's a big.
Yeah, we had to tighten the wheel up, and then the back plastic is being held on by a strap.
I mean, it's better.
I had a headband on it. I don't know.
Might have to tie fucking shirts.
All the zip ties. Well, well, after this blaster situation, I just bring zip ties with me now when I come out here. But your boy forgot the zip ties, which I wasn't thinking about you. I was thinking about me. I'm like, I don't need zip ties. This is a brand new bike, dude. I need it too. I know. Told you I need the bolts. I didn't think about it. Honestly, I was like, he's good. He said he fixed everything last night. We're good. We're solid. Anyway, she's ripping. I feel like it's like what the hell happened? You just had it all tied up.
Fuck that.
Anyway, it's like I'm not like scared of it, but it's like it's like trying to tame the animal. Trying to tame the beast.
A fucking tiger.
Underneath me. No diddy. So
no, that's big diddy.
So anyway, that's our update for right now. I could ride here all day. This is like a sick spot, honestly. It's pretty cool. It keeps going that way too. I don't know where that way goes.
So if you go down that little thing, it brings you back up here.
Yeah, I figured that out, but then it looks like it keeps going that way somewhere.
times or main trail? That's how you break the clutch in, boys. Take a little break right here. She looks good. Alright, well, I haven't been talking, but to end out my video, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment on the video. If you guys like the bike, if you guys like the pit bikes ripping, this guy's over here. Got my nephew out here going crazy. He's been wearing his helmet all day, but I don't know what the hell he's doing right now. Anyway, we're gonna end it out right here by the lake. So enjoy the edit at the lake. So anyway, enjoy the edit starting